The UK government has announced a COVID lockdown from Jan 6th to mid-Feb. And in mid-Feb, the UK government will revisit the scenario and take further decisions. Now, if you are a student who has a admit, who has a CAS, and who has a visa, and you're trying to understand the impact of this lockdown on you, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to talk about few points which you should definitely consider before taking any further decisions. You should consider if your class is going to be in person or online. The UK government has advised most of the courses to keep the in-person classes to a minimum. So they are prioritizing the classes which require face-to-face interactions. You can check the complete list of classes which are allowed in-person sessions on UK government's official website. I'm giving the link in the description. Some of the courses which are being prioritized are medicine, dentistry, education, which is the initial teacher training, and social studies. For the courses I did not mention and the ones not listed in the UK government's official website, they are going to be remote. So as an international student, Indians can attend these classes remote while being in India. And whenever the situation becomes better and you can fly to UK, then you can attend the in-person sessions. For now, the students have to log into the student portal, complete the enrollment formalities which are mentioned by the university, and this is a mandatory task. Now the golden question, should I book my tickets? The flights are operational between India and UK, but as you can attend your classes online while being in India, you should consider booking your tickets after mid-Feb when the UK government will release more instructions on how the future will look like. If you decide to travel to UK, these are the things that will happen. First, you will be asked to fill a passenger locator form. Number 2, you will be asked to self-isolate for 10 days. Number 3, if post 5 days of self-isolation, you decide to take a COVID test, which is at your expense, and the test is negative, you can skip the next 5 days of isolation. You will be wondering what happens to the post-study work visa. Usually after 1 year of master's degree, you get a 2-year work visa. In this current scenario, even if you start online, you still have the same option to get 2 years of work visa. All you need to do is enter UK before 27 September 2021 and attend the final semester in UK. The next important question is, what is the process for BRP, Biometric Residence Permit? Usually the process is you enter UK and within 10 days you need to collect it. But with the current COVID scenario, there is relaxation of this policy and you will not be penalized for not collecting your BRP within 10 days. Should you consider deferring your admit to September 2021? Few things to consider are: 1. The fees will slightly increase. This happens every year. 2. Your scholarship might not get transferred from this intake to the next intake. Number 3. While you're studying in India, taking classes online, you will save on the living expenses. Number 4. It is a good time to invest in education considering the current job scenario. The correct and most updated information is available on the UK government official website. I have shared the link in the description. Keep on checking that site as the information is continuously changing. The information I shared was as of Jan 11, 2021. I hope this helped you.